Hi there, this is Dino Radwell from Raqmedia Tutorials. In today's video we'll be taking you step by step on how to create a Google account, use it and profit from the different functionality it offers. Welcome back. As usual, this is the home page, Chrome browser, or if you have Firefox or any other browsers. What you're gonna do is to head on to the apps at the top, click on them, that's it. So here the different functionalities or services of Google. What we need here is to create an account first of all in order to sign into our browser, or to use all the other different services, and mainly the Google Drive and the YouTube service. So let's head on to Gmail, wait a few seconds. You can change the language at the bottom,
www.raqmedia.com.
select your language, set. So now it's done. Let's have a few ideas on Google Gmail, which offers you the ease and simplicity, available across all your devices, whether Android, tablets or PC or laptop. So these are the different features. It has been customized recently with a new look and interface. As we said, the service is available on Google Play and also on App Store. So this will guarantee that all your information will be available on all your devices. Can also view attachments instantly. If you have received an attachment on emails, then no need to open them in order to avoid viruses. Also, there are custom themes, as you can see, so you can change the themes to the ones you like, or you can upload your own photos. Great. You can also take action right from the inbox. You can decide on the calendars, spams, delete, etc. So there are many actions which can be carried just from the inbox tab. You can also type in or have a draft directly without exiting the mailbox. For a paid service, you can also get a customized Gmail, which takes your company, as you can see, at your company, and supported by Gmail. That's it. So let's head on to create an account, and the new window will appear in order to create your Google account. So just type in your first name and last name in here. Raqmedia. We'll select Raqmedia as example, at gmail.com. Here you put in your password. It must be a strong one, which must include 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So let's paste it, set. Second one, as we said here, it's one account which will make you benefit from all the services of the Google company. Let's head on to next. A new window will open. Then you need to verify your account using the code that you will receive. So just type in your phone number, and when you receive the code in your SMS inbox, then type it in. So we'll type in our phone number and come back when we receive the code. Next, you hit in the next button, and this will open a new window in which you will need to type in the code that you will receive in your SMS. That's it. So we have received our SMS. Okay, so now after you have received the code, just type it in to the box in here. Next you just hit verify. Okay, wait few seconds, and now it's done. So your phone will be highlighted at the top. You have the Gmail that you have asked in here, which means that the Gmail is already created. So you need to supply some of your information. You can supply a recovery email address in order to get notification if there are any other problems related to your recovery or any security reasons. Next you just fill in your birthday, year and gender. Here you can add agree to add your phone number to your account for use across Google services. Gives you some other options, which is to receive video calls, messages, receive Google services, and relevant ads to your likes. If you add on to the phone Google options, don't add my number. So here are the different options you can select from. Whether you don't add your number, add number for account security only, add number for security and video calls, but don't use my number for other services. And the last one, to opt for all the options that Google can be using your phone for. So here we'll just use our phone number for security reasons or security notifications, or to recover your phone. That's it. So now we will need to agree on the terms of service and privacy. Okay. Just click on I agree. And voila, it's done. Okay, so here is our Google Plus page. We'll select the Gmail from the apps in here. Select Gmail. Okay, wait for a second until it loads. And voila, so that you are in the welcome screen. Your Gmail is created successfully. Click on next. It's the short tool. You can select the default view, comfortable view, or compact view. Keep it default. Click OK. Your Gmail is successfully created, and you have the welcome message. Go back. This is the new look of Gmail. It has been added recently. Okay, and select the different options. Also, you can check other services like the Google Drive. You can see we have 15 gigabytes of cloud storage. Keep tuned for our next tutorials, in which we'll have a look around the different options and functionality that Gmail offer, and the different services which are linked to your Google account. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com.
Bye for now. See you next video.